If you want to stop recurring charges on Amazon Prime, follow these simple steps to cancel your subscription. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website and log in using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account as the Prime membership you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the account and list option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Find your Prime membership. In the account settings, locate the Your Prime membership option. Click on it to view details about your Prime subscription, including billing information and renewal dates. Step 4. Cancel your membership. On the Prime membership page, look for the End Membership or Cancel Membership option. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide feedback on your decision. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email from Amazon. Check your email to ensure that your membership has been successfully cancelled and that no further charges will occur. By following these steps, you can easily stop any recurring charges associated with your Amazon Prime membership. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Amazon customer support for assistance.